How to make a homemade firework. You will need as many sparklers as possible, a paper towel, and any special ingredients you may want to add, like caps or a sacrifice. Right, first step, you crumble the sparklers onto the paper towel so that the gunpowder falls off. We'll be back with you once we've done them all. Right, we couldn't actually fit all of these into the paper towel, so now it is time to put on the extra things which you might want to put in, such as caps, your sacrifice, or anything you may want to put in. Right, and we are folding up the ceremonial insertion of the fuse. It's now ready to ignite.